In the previous lessons, we learned about factors and how we have one or more factors multiply each other to form a product. For example, we have a simple thing like this. We have 2 times 3 give us 6. Now 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Well, we are going to use the term factors to define a term called prime number. A prime number is a whole number. A prime number is a whole number. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Those whole number with exactly 2, now only 2 distinct factors. What does that really mean? Well, there are only 2 factors, and one of them is the factor of 1 and itself. Well, let's define this. An example of a prime number is 3. Look at 3. What is the factor that make up 3? Well, we only have what? 1 times 3. Give us 3. And that's pretty much it. The same thing with 7. Look at 7. What 2 factors make up 7? 1 times 7. Notice how we have 1 right there and the number of itself, which is 3 and 3, 7 and 7. An example of not a prime number would be like this. For example, let's look at this. Let's look at 6. So this is not a prime number, 6, okay? Well, what do we have? We have 1 times 6 give us 6. Or we could have 2 times 3 give us 6. So all of these right here are factors of 6. So this is not a prime number. Now let's look at what is not a prime number. Well, if it's not a prime number, it is a composite number. A composite number is basically a whole number with more than 2 factors. So 6 right here is actually a composite number. Why is that? Because it consists of more than 2 factors. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at another example. Well, let's look at this one. How about, what do we have? We have 10, your favorite number. Well, what is 10? 1 times 10 give us 10. But 10 can always be what? 10 can also equal to 2 times 5. So notice how we have 1, 2, 3. These are 3 factors that make up 10. So therefore, 10 is a composite number. And that's the difference between prime number and composite number. To apply the concept of prime number, you need to memorize some of the most common prime numbers, and this will be applied in later concepts. So 2, 3, 5, 7, and then we have 11. These right here are the most common prime number that you need to remember, okay? So keep that in mind. So let's do an example problem together. Determine if each number is a prime number. Well, 3, of course, we memorize that's a prime number, so we type yes. Y for yes. 11. Well, think about 11. What is 11? Well, 11 is 1 times 11, nothing else. There are no other factors that multiply together to get 11, so that is also a prime number. What about 15? Well, look at 15. We have 15 is equal to the factor of 1 times 15 itself. So that's the definition of prime number. But wait a minute. We also know that 3 times 5 is also equal to 15. So here we have the prime number 1, 3, 5. All of these right here are factors of 15. So therefore, this cannot be a prime number. So this is no. And that is how you determine if a number is a prime number or a composite number. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video have empowered you to do well in your math class. Streamline Ed PD is an all-in-one education training by teachers with the mission to empower teachers to support all students. We have interactive practice that go along with this video. The links are in the description below. If you would like your teacher to use this video or create similar video to support you and your classmate, please subscribe and share this video and your learning experience with your teachers and parents. Together we can empower you to be successful in school.